Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are gonna see that how we can retrieve the access and refresh token once the user is registered his account. Okay, so I'll go to the files and I'll minimize all the files. Okay, so I'll open this account and views.py. Now here I need to import refresh token. So I'll say from REST framework underscore simple JWT dot tokens import refresh token. Okay, now here is the view in which we are creating the user. Okay, so first I need to comment this both line. Okay, now here I can say refresh equals to refresh token dot for underscore user, and here I'll pass account. Okay, now once we configure this, I will pass the refresh and access token in this data. Okay, so I'll say data equals to dictionary, but here I need to give the variable name which is token. Okay, token. Now here I can say refresh and I'll pass str and I'll say refresh, comma, I'll say access str and I'll say refresh dot access underscore token. Okay, this is it. This is the configuration which we need to make in order to get the access and refresh token when the user creates his or her account. So let me go to Thunder client. Now in order to register the account, we need to hit on this register URL. So let me say 2104. The mail ID should be 2104 and the password can be same, no issues on that. So if I click on this send, you can see I got refresh and access token. So if I copy this token again, go to my browser JWT, if I paste that one, this is invalid signature. Let me uncheck and check it. Okay, so you can see the user ID is 6 now because the user which we registered has 6th user ID. Okay, so I hope you got idea about registration of the user using JWT. Okay, so you can also customize the JWT, but how? So for that, let us go to documentation. Let us go to home page. Now if you scroll very down, not here, customization, not here too, settings, yeah, here. So if you want to customize the timer of the access token, lifetime of the access token, then you can use this variable. Okay, so let me first copy this one, go to the settings.py. Keep in mind, whatever settings you make for the JWT, you need to add it in the settings.py. Okay, so I'll go to settings.py, go very down. Here I will copy that one. I'll also copy this package, go top, paste that over here. Okay, now let's say I want to configure this lifetime of this access token, then I can just copy this, paste that, and here instead of 5 minutes I can say 10 minutes, so my token will be expired after 10 minutes. Okay, and If you want to configure the validation of the refresh token, you can simply add this, okay, and paste that over here. The validation of the refresh token will be valid for 1 day only. Okay, so yeah, these are the few key features which you can include along with the JWT. Okay, if you want to change the algorithm, then you can change the algorithm. If you want to sign the key, then you can also sign this key. Okay, so just paste that over here, settings dot this secret key, right? I'll just remove this one for now. I hope you got idea about this configuration of this customization of the JWT. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.